Anyway, morning, it is day 2 for my wash and go. And I wanted to update you guys because last night I did something different to my hair. And I don't want you guys to miss a step. So yesterday I used I did a wash and go. I have a video up on it. So watch the video prior to this. I'll go ahead and link it right here in the cards. And I used VO5, the Kiwi Line Clarifying Shampoo, because I have started back using Blue Magic. So in order to make sure I get everything out of my hair, all of my grease, because that's what it is, all of my oil, all of that, I use the clarifying shampoo, okay? And then I went in with no conditioner. To wet hair, I applied my Palmer's Coconut, and this is the cocoa butter and biotin nectar. This was my styler, okay? So I did the LCO method with liquid warm water, which is because of low porosity. So I had liquid, I had the nectar, and then I sealed it with my olive oil growth therapy hair grease. Boom, bam, yes, grease. So watch the video prior to this one. Today, so last night, I decided, well, I did not grease my scalp. So I went in with Blue Magic. This is the Super Sure Grow. Now this is made with shea butter, jojoba, and Chinese green tea leaves, okay? It's for natural styles. It's a hair and scalp conditioner. So I can say that instead of saying grease. I use a hair and scalp conditioner. It's for less breakage and longer hair. So, you know, on my journey, this is definitely to get healthy and longer hair. So to retain my length is what I'm going for, because my hair is going to grow. I just want to retain my length. So I'm giving my rice water a break for a minute, just for a minute. So I use this and I grease my scalp. I didn't apply it to my hair. What I did apply to my hair is the Blue Magic tea tree oil, and this is a leave-in conditioner. This is a non-greasy formula, and this is anti-breakage protein complex leave-in styling conditioner. So the consistency on here is like this, watery. It is not, I repeat, not greasy at all. So let me take these hairpins out. So I put some hairpins in to stretch my hair, and I put it after I put my hair into twists. I already have my Mr. Spray bottle, and I have warm water in it, and I'm going to simply spray my hair and take down my twist and see if we can get that same wash and go from yesterday, because baby. So this is my hair. My scalp is conditioned. I'm feeling for bobby pins. This is my hand. See, it's not all greasy, shiny. You can feel the moisture in it, which I love. I'm going to go in with some more of the Palmer's coconut oil formula, cocoa butter formula. Now, I told you on the last video, if you do not like cocoa butter, you don't like the smell of cocoa butter, then this is not the product for you. This is not, I repeat, because it smells just like cocoa butter. I like cocoa butter. So what I'm doing right now is just raking in that nectar. See if I can get my washing. There you go. It's back. Get them ends real good. I mean, when I greased my scalp, I went in on my ends and I made sure that my ends were good and greased as well. Oh yeah. It bounced back, baby. It bounced back. It bounced back, baby. It bounced back. So I'm going to go ahead, take down the rest of my hair, speed up the video, and we'll see what we got after this. Section with you guys and give you my honest opinions about every product that is in my hair. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I am not going to have to go back and put an oil in to seal my hair because there is the oil still there from yesterday. So this would be the LOC method because the oil is already there from yesterday when I applied it. So I don't have to add any more oil. And do y'all see the definition when I'm taking it down? If I was to do smaller pieces, honey, you are talking a good twist out that is soft and manageable. Do you hear me? And I can't wait to show it to y'all. I can't wait. I can't wait. Can't wait. So when you see the white in my hair, that's not from the nectar. That is the leave-in. It's actually not a white. It's like it's an aqua blue, like a real light blue, like the blue on my shirt. That's the kind of blue it is, and that's just the leave-in. That's the leave-in conditioner. Okay. All right. And she good to go, baby. She good to go. This is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be made glad in it. I really do think I need to cut my bangs. I really do. But I'm really not, because my stylist said leave my hair alone. My ends are fine and everything. So she got a license, I don't. So I'm going to listen at what she say. If she say I don't need it, then guess what? I don't need it. That's just that. And if you see an area, you see this little area, it was just a little frizzy. And I'm just raking the product that's already on there, raking it in. That's it. I'm not going to touch it no more. Alright guys, so if you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that red button down below. Just go ahead and hit it. And then the fancy YouTube bell that say personalized, all, or whatever. Just click all, because I'm very random. I do not have a set date and time to put out a video. I don't. If I find something that I want to share, and I say I'm going to release a video on Saturday, but I find that I want to share something that Tuesday before that Saturday, then I'm going to put a video out that Tuesday. So it don't make sense for me to schedule videos like that. Just know that they're very random. They pop out all the time. So if you're one of my subscribers already a part of the Real McCoy gang, thank you so much, you guys, for your support. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers, and I am so happy. I feel so blessed. And I think by adding this new hair and scalp conditioner treatment with my hair regimen is really about to make my hair very healthy, and I'm about to start retaining more length, because I already have retained some length. I know y'all know I've already retained some length. Already. Because you know I've been using the rice water leave-in. So I decided I was going to take a break from the rice water leave-in and check this out, and then I'll probably see how I can pair the two together, because these, they have a, you know, stop talking, Charlotte. Stop talking, because you just had an idea and then put it out there. It's gonna be a copycat. It's gonna be a copycat. Don't do that. Don't do that. Everybody ain't for you. I'm not saying that y'all, the Real McCoy gang, is copycats. But if I come up with something, I'm gonna share it with y'all. But everybody that watch your channel ain't your friend. They ain't part of the Real McCoy gang. Alright? So, hey, y'all keep God first in everything you do, and I do mean everything. In the last video, I told you to write a vision, make it plain, have faith and believe in it, and it will come to pass. Okay? So, you guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember, this is day 2 of the wash and go using the Palmer's cocoa butter and biotin, $6. Water, refreshed Blue Magic. This is the leave-in non-greasy formula. Leave-in Blue Magic tea tree oil. I grease my scalp. With the Blue Magic Original Super Sure Grow. Remember these things. I'll take a picture and have them for you in the video. Beyonce don't know what to do that. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Peace out.